From daily commutes to weekend adventures, having a hybrid bike that does it all feels like such a breeze. Whether you're looking to do an on-off-road, urban, or rural ride, hybrid bikes are designed for versatility. Hybrid bikes are comfortable across all kinds of surfaces. It is smooth rolling as it is designed to offer superior shock absorption. This also means it can tackle recreational trails easily with a wide gear range to get up climbs easily. Hybrid bikes tend to have their own unique design, and the road and off-road capabilities differ from model to model. Some offer more speed, while others work best on rugged country roads and uneven off-road surfaces. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best hybrid bikes to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Hiland Road Hybrid Bike 700C. Taking the impressive speed of a road bike and combining it beautifully with the versatility of a cruiser, this hybrid from Hiland Road utilizes a full Shimano 24-speed drivetrain to ensure that every last gear change is effortless and buttery smooth. Dependable and secure, the aluminum frame is designed to be reliable for years to come, so you can make sure nothing gets in the way of your daily commute. Although it's on the affordable side, this hybrid doesn't compromise on quality. Combining a quality rear derailleur and cassette with 180mm front and 160mm rear radius mechanical disc brakes, you'll precisely and successfully come to a steady stop no matter what terrain or weather you're riding in. High-performance tires ensure that you're able to ride fast and hard, regardless of how uneven the surface happens to be. The threadless fork also helps with bumps and bangs, absorbing some of the impact so your body doesn't feel it at all. Arriving at your door 85% assembled, it won't take very much effort to get this baby assembled and ready to ride. All of the tools required to do so are included as part of your purchase, and there's handy installation video to watch as you go. Number 4. Schwinn Wayfarer Hybrid Bike. Schwinn Wayfarer bike comes with high-quality materials, versatility, and superb comfort. The hybrid bike is a fabulous bike for cruising your area, commuting to school, traveling, and practicing exercises. It is well equipped with a swept-back upright handlebar, which helps you have a comfortable feeling and proper posture. It features a Schwinn rear derailleur and a 7-speed twist shifter for easy gear adjustments, and it is enough to get through the steeper hills. The steel frame and fork used here is very durable, making it great for daily commuting to work or school. The dual-pack V-brakes allow you to stop quickly at all times, while the alloy wheels are made from high-quality materials for longer rides. Besides, the front and the rear linear pull brakes attest to accurate stops to ensure the most significant safety for riders. And the front and rear fenders come to protect you from the splashes and dirt. In addition, this hybrid bike is also added to the rear rack to have more space to carry your goods or belongings. The overall Schwinn Wayfarer hybrid bike will please and give you what you need. Number 3. Royce Union 700C. Are you a newbie and looking for a comfort hybrid bike for your next adventure? 700C Royce Union RMY hybrid bike is what you're looking for. This multifunctional bike is not only with you during the trips around the city, carrying camera gear for nature shots, grocery, commuting, but also for fitness exercises. It features a very durable steel frame and fork that can withstand any type of terrain. The dual-pack V-brakes allow you to stop quickly at all times, while the alloy wheels are made from high-quality materials for long rides. This attractive-looking hybrid bicycle comes with rigid and lightweight construction. When you are a beginner, a lightweight and responsive bike is an important feature that you should consider because it provides you full control of any situations that occur. The integrated suspension is a unique supplement that offers the absorption of shocks and imperfections from the road. The right-angle handlebar gives you upright position for proper posture and comfort while on the move. The padded saddle and adjustable seat posts are great extras to provide more flexibility and satisfaction to starters. Prioritizing form and function, Royce Union designed their RMY hybrid as the perfect bike to take you around town. Solid and strong but incredibly easy to handle, transport alongside you, and then store, it's a fantastic solution to the daily commute. Number 2. Vilano Diverse 3.0. Whatever the weather and wherever you're headed, get there on time and look good on the 3.0 edition of the Diverse range from Vilano. Prioritizing performance, it boasts a 24-speed drivetrain offering plenty of gears for you to choose from. Composed of a high-quality 6061 aluminum frame and fork made with hydroformed alloy, the frame is strong and sturdy without becoming cumbersome or weighing you down. It also has an integrated water bottle mount for your convenience. All of the control and stopping power you might want is provided by a set of smooth Shimano disc brakes, even in less optimal weather conditions. A flat handlebar design allows a rider to be comfortable whatever their preferred position. The high-quality speed shifter is a Shimano EF51 3x8, so there's no need to worry about how Diverse 3.0 handles cycling uphill or downhill again, and your hands will stay where they are at all times for smooth, bump-free ride. Ready for rough and tumble? The reliable 700C rims from Weinmann maintain speed and allow for smooth stoppage no matter how heavy you're braking. They're also resistant to warping and allow a weight limit of 300 pounds, higher than average. Number 1. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike. Presented as a unisex bike that's suitable for any gender, it's worth pointing out that in spite of a decent weight limit, gentlemen of an above average size may prefer to opt for something a little bigger, though there's no harm in trying. The aluminum alloy frame guarantees you a robust, supportive performance in rough terrains. The first standing feature is Pro Max alloy linear brakes that enable you to stop anytime precisely. No juddering, no bumps, and no strain on your body. This is true even in difficult conditions, so rain is no reason to stay home. This hybrid bike prioritizes safety and ease of drive. The second incredible component is the 21-speed SRAM grip shifter combined with a rear derailleur that offers riders full control over any situation and makes uphill rides smoother and faster than other bikes. Durable and lightweight, the 16 or 18-inch frame is fast and furious, but it won't let you down either. A Schwinn suspension fork, alloy crank, and adjustable city rise style seat posts ensure a comfy ride every time. Driving this bike is very comfortable thanks to the comfy saddle, swept back upright handlebar to enhance the proper posture for riders so that you will not feel exhausted. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike will always bring a smile on your face. Hybrid bikes are super comfortable and fun ride that is crossed between a standard road bike and a mountain bike. They provide a comfortable ride over all kinds of terrains and surfaces. Hybrids are ready to ease daily commutes and add fun to your weekend adventures. Hybrid bikes are the workhorses of bicycle world. They're fantastic on the road, giving you efficiency and speed, but they can also handle some light off-road riding. However, getting the best hybrid bike is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.